Hey guys, in this video I'm going to teach you how to change the screenshot hotkey or how to use screenshot in MacBook. So before we start, I will show you my MacBook version so that you can have a reference. So basically my MacBook is currently a version of Sonama 14.4.1 MacBook Air M1. So let's start. First of all, you need to open the system tag, go to Finder at the top menu bar and search for system and also systems service setting. After that, you can come into this panel. You can search for screenshot. As you can see, currently there are 5 options of screenshot. How do you want to manipulate it? You can just on and off it, and also you can change the hotkey. For example, I want to change this, I can just press and change. So basically you can change and customize your own system setting, and you can just press it to open, activate, screenshot, or even recording like currently I'm using for this video. So yeah, that's all for today's video. Thank you.